welcome back. My name is Crystal, aka Lady Bricks. I am glad you're here. I was recently ordering from Lego and this bad boy popped up. So needless to say, I ordered it and now it's here and I built it. So here's my review. I really liked this Creator 3-in-1 set. Originally, I had purchased this set here for $9.99. I just really wanted the turtle. This is set 31128. As you can see, you could have built a seahorse and a little sea slug, or a fish with some sea creature things in there. I don't know. Either way, I purchased this guy for this tiny turtle right here. Isn't he so cute? I literally saw this and was like, I have to have that. And for $9.99, why not, right? So this guy, his little head moves. Whoa, his little head moves on a 360 swivel. His arms can move as well. Love it. And then the dolphin. The dolphin is actually a lot cuter than I had anticipated. So this little guy can swim across your screen. Super cute. Love this whole set. So, like I said, this was the 3-in-1 Creator dolphin and turtle. Doesn't get much easier than that. I do love the little crab they threw in there for decoration. You get to build a little anemone for everybody to live in. So, super cute set. Not too shabby, $9.99, not gonna break the bank. So yeah, go out and buy yourself a dolphin and turtle. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe.